Hi guys, today I am refreshing this bathroom makeover I did about a year, and this is an old video, but I figured I'd share it with you because I haven't showed you this room in a while. I have all these neutral colors, these tans, these grays. I wanted to throw a pop of color in, so that's pretty much what I'm doing this year. I'm trying to refresh and add some color. Although this room makeover came out nice, I decided let's change it up, and I'm just going to give you a quick tour of what it looks like before, and then I'm going to show you after. So I did some changes with this towel rack, and so pay attention to it. This DIY sitting on top with the bling wrap on it and the roses, I kept that, but I refreshed it a little as well. Now let's see the refresh. This is a DIY picture. This DIY piece sparkles like crazy. I'm not sure if you can even see it on film, but in person it just goes wild with sparkle, but it's so subtle, and that's one of the things I like about it. So because it's so subtle, I added this base with these pretty blue roses and these white butterflies with blue glitter on them. Now you can see a little bit more of the sparkle and shine in this view. Alright, so there is the DIY I had before. All I did was added some ribbon. I still have the same bling wrap, the same flowers, so you don't really have to do much to refresh your look. All I did was pretty much, as you know, this shower curtain I DIY'd. I made it extra long, and I just drape it over my towel rack because it's easier to get in the shower that way, and I actually like the way it looks this way. And as you know, I just used some silk sheets. That's what I used, and I coated them with some Scotch Guard. Give me a closer look at my DIY shower curtain. There it is. I attached it with some bonding tape, so I didn't even have to sew it. So guys, it's really easy if you just put a little time into it. It did take a while to paint the painting and do the floral arrangements just to get them right, but that's one of the things you have to remember. Sometimes you might try something once and it might not look right, and that happens to us all. Don't let that discourage you from just trying something different to make that look work. And I like my pop of color, so I'm getting into these colors. My last video was purple, and if you're new, I do want to take this time to welcome you and ask you to hit that subscribe button if it's your first time visiting. For all of you guys who visited and come back, thank you for your support. We're going to get into our shout outs. If you'd like to be shouted out, just try to make sure you hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I put out a video.